Well, who wouldn't want a personal massage anytime right at home? No, I'm not talking about human hands. Meet Phill. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy, and if you want to stay up to date with the latest tech, head to cyberguy.com where you can also get my free newsletter. The latest from Phillonlabs is more than just another great gadget. It is an AI-powered massage robot that's about to change how we relax after those long, long days. Its unique feature, it can live right next to your bed and even double as a nightstand. Phill comes equipped with state-of-the-art sensors, motors, and a microcontroller. Every session feels customized because, well, it is. The robot learns your preferences and adjusts accordingly, making every massage personal and unique. Here's the catch though. Want to get your hands on Phill or let Phill get its hands on you? Get ready to shell out a cool $2,000, and that's without even testing it first. The device is still in the prototype phase, but makes you wonder, is it worth the splurge? Or are we jumping the gun on a tech that's still finding its feet? Or shall we say hands? For more of my tech tips, head to cyberguy.com. That's where you can sign up for my free newsletter.